Dr. Cushing, that is a great question, and so many people are so concerned about their home as far as a suspected issue, and they don't know what it is. So what they can do is they can get a sterile Q-tip, and they can take a sample of the suspected area, and they put that in a Ziploc bag, and they send it off to us. We then send it to the lab, overnight express it to the lab, and the lab's going to be able to determine, Dr. Cushing, if it's a mold issue, what kind of mold it is, and the health concerns that can come from that particular type of mold.
Wow, that's really valuable. That's fantastic. So they could just send that in and mail it to you, and you can tell them all that information.
Yes, sir, from the lab. Dr. Cushing, I've got a couple questions for you.
Oh, yeah, sure.
What are your qualifications?
Well, I have 2 doctorate degrees. One as I'm a licensed chiropractic physician, but I also have a doctorate degree in natural healing as well.
Wow.
So I have 2 doctorate degrees.